Hello guys, this is Manzil and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. तो आज संडे राइड के लिए निकल रहा हूँ. पता तो नहीं कहाँ जा रहा हूँ, लेकिन भैया के साथ जा रहा हूँ तो वो ले जा रहे हैं. पता नहीं गाजल डोबा समथिंग नाम है. अभी तो उतना मैं श्योर तो नहीं हूँ, लेकिन स्क्रीन में ये रूट दिख रहा होगा आपको. ये होगा मेरा आज का रूट. अभी वेट कर रहा हूँ भैया के लिए, तो मिलता हूँ फिर राइड में. निकलते हैं अभी. मुझे सीधा पहले प्रधान नगर जाना है, फिर वहाँ भैया को पिक करना है. मतलब भैया के दोस्त भीम भैया, उनको पिक करके और फिर शायद 8:45 शायद 40 मिनट्स तो लगेगा. उससे ज़्यादा तो नहीं लगेगा शायद. इट टेक्स अराउंड 1.5 not even 1.5 hour. It takes around 1 hour 20 minutes to reach Siliguri, but since it's Sunday and there are no traffic, I suppose it might take around 40 minutes. This is the kind of mornings I like, away from all the electronic gadgets, from all the chaos, just quiet roads. And also the morning rides, these are the best. So I think I'm gonna have to take left from here towards Gajal Doba. There's a canal on my left. Is this a canal? Yes. Fulbari, Ambari. It looks nice as well. But the thing is, the water is not really clear. It's probably because of the rainy season. It's been raining for a very long time now. The roads seem to be pretty maintained as well. So this is probably 20-kilometer long stretch, because it was written Gajal Doba 20 kilometers. So this is probably the only route to the place. There is Nancy D taking my Instagram pictures. क्या क्या करना पड़ता है भाई. It's a nice place, huh? Is a canal? Is this a dam? This is probably a dam as well. Let me stand a little. Okay, I hope you guys can see it. Let me put the bike in neutral and stand. Okay. Okay, the camera is out again. I'm gonna have to pause again. Oh, she is out with a better camera. This is an iPhone 12, I suppose. So better quality, better picture. Am I advertising an iPhone? Oh, I wish I could advertise an iPhone. There is a forest on my right, canal on my left, and there is another forest next to the canal. This looks beautiful. Yes, finally a decent place, a decent road, decent scene, a scenic road as well. Probably after 40 kilometers from my place to Siliguri, and from here probably after 55 to 60 kilometers I found the place I was looking for. Welcome to Karatoa Aqueduct. I'm gonna have to Google the meaning of aqueduct. Nice quiet place, but it was written elephant crossing zone. I'm curious how the elephant crossed the canal. This is the bike I've always wanted, BMW GS 310, and there are monkeys over here as well. Ah, reminds me of my friends. What are you guys doing over here? I'm gonna have to go back because these guys wants to take a video. That is Bhimda, that is my brother, and Dikhi. It's a nice ride up till here. I don't wanna jinx it as well. It would have been really beautiful if the water was really clear, but it's okay. It looks beautiful anyways. So if I take this right, I think I'm gonna reach Ghazal Doba, the place where I've come for this far. I don't know why this place doesn't really come when you search for the places to visit in Siliguri. This is such an underrated place, I guess. The road is nice, the environment looks really calm. See, what I was just telling you guys about, probably the most underrated place in Siliguri, and look at this. This is a nice place to take a picture as well. I just hope I'm allowed to stop my bike here for a little while, just for a picture, not very long. Face ID, I don't want to reveal my password every day, every single time. Okay, it's 147890. This is my password. Whoa. Imagine my camera falling down. I can't even imagine that. I don't know what this is, but okay, this is a dam. Okay, now I'm pretty sure because of this barricade. I don't know what is this called. This is a very huge canal. So there is a small market kind of place over here. Let me have a look. Let me go inside. Okay, let's park over here and eat something. And also wait for my brother. These guys are always late. They are with me, but still they are late. They are just across the bridge and it's taking them forever to reach here.
2 hours later.
So I'm having all of everything. I'm having one plate of this, one piece of this, and also one plate of this, one plate of this, one piece of this, and one piece of this. I'm not having the egg and ये क्या है? शिमला मिर्च. Oh, ये शिमला मिर्च है. I'm not having this. This is my one of my prawns, and here's what I'll be having. This is a local fish they were catching over there, and a bigger prawn, and then this is the smaller ones. This is the tiny one, I suppose. Should I put this again? It's okay. I have tried this already, even this one, but this is the first time I'm ever gonna eat, so let's try. I don't know where to start, but I think this is it. I'm gonna have to open it first. The head. I don't know if I'm eating it right. There are eggs as well. Why is this so hard? This is nice. Let me try this as well. The local fish. These are all good. And the tiny prawns. Everything is nice. Everything is nice. Really nice. The what is this called? Tentacles? guess this is it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it, and you guys know the drill as well. Please like, share and comment, and also don't forget to subscribe.